final log. Stable between 340 and 050. 3,000 meters in haze. Temperature 11, dew point 07, QNH 1021 millibar.
Heathrow, good morning, Speedbird 031, here at Sierra 1 on Kristiansand, please, to Bombay.
Speedbird 31, start approved, Bombay, Dover 2 Juliet, departure, Squawk 0322.
Bombay, Dover 2 Juliet, 0322, the Squawk, thank you.
It's not size 48, confirm your alter type 747.
Yeah, we come with the slot time where classic, thank you.
119, mate.
Fine.
Right, okay. Þetta verður vantanlega Daventry 1 Juliet. Okay. Og hann segir
Clearance Speedbird 342, Charlie 14737 with Juliet, morning.
Speedbird 342, start approved, test 1 Juliet, departure, C119.
Alpha Bravo Juliet 017, stand 306, Boeing 737, requesting startup for London.
Alpha Bravo.
5 got a strip on an Alpha Bravo Delta 017, that's 737 going to Keflavik, is that you?
Yeah, that is correct, Alpha Bravo Delta. Standing by for Keflavik.
Alpha Bravo Delta 017, startup's approved, Daventry 1 Juliet, departure, Squawk 5235.
Clear to Keflavik, Daventry 1 Juliet 5235. Atlanta 017.
Jim, what is your stand number?
Stand 306.
Thank you, 121.9 for pushback, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, please.
Ground, good morning, Alpha Bravo Delta 017, stand 306, requesting pushback.
Alpha Bravo Delta 017, push approved.
017, thank you.
Line Kilo India is reporting 30 inner.
48 PSI.
Kilo India, roger, follow the Springbok.
Okay, check is complete.
Kilo India.
After frequency?
Check.
Okay, babe, clear to push and start the ground. If the connector is closed, they pumps are off, system depressurized. Standing by on brakes. Brakes released, and starting sequence to on board. Start the cutout.
Restore 48, monitor 2.
Playing with one.
Ground Speedbird 872, just cancelled the push for a few minutes, so we got a slight problem here.
37. Permission to push back runway 36 to reposition to B-line base.
Ground here. Ground the cone.
Ground, Atlanta 017, requesting taxi.
Atlanta 017, taxi on point 09, right?
Taxi to runway 09 right, 017.
Speedbird 804, monitor 1 beneath decimal 5, connect.
185, bye-bye.
Speedbird 776, monitor 1 beneath decimal 5.
185, bye-bye.
Checks left.
Speedbird 803, good morning.
Speedbird 803, good morning, left, there's a Bravo 2.
128 væntanlega.
Sam monitor, yeah.
Finero 17, when the 757 departs, line up 9 right. Bravo Delta 017, when the 757 departs, line up 9 right.
Okay,
Atlanta 017, after this one departs, we'll line up 017.
så finner.
Það finnir.
Ja, kalla.
Speedbird 776, contact 1258.
58, 776.
Það veit við séum allir sömu mennir það.
Okay, we're set to line up.
On the other side of 737, when he departs, line up.
Up 77 the other line, left side, line up, 09 right, 5944.
Atlanta trail, wheel brakes apply, thrust is close. Speed brakes maxing close. Flash 40, coming 80 knots, decelerating at 100 power. Approach is clear.
Runway is not clear yet.
Papa uniform, holding dot 76. Papa uniform, cross runway 9 right now. Cross runway 9 right now, come in home. Uniform vacated 9 right.
Bravo Uniform, Channel 1.
Channel 1.
Bravo Delta 017, cleared takeoff, 9 right.
That's all. Clear takeoff.
Let's take off Atlanta 017.
Okay, final lighthouse.
Transponder is on, people take a check if this is complete.
Okay, all yours.
There's 82 and the 73 ahead of you departs, line up, there'll be traffic departing further down.
From the 73 ahead of us, departs, line up,
Cross the sat and on jets. Anything else? Check. You're on one page.
Yeah, up.
Positive rate, yeah.
Skipper 342, after next departure 737, the full length, line up.
After next departure, full length, speedbird 342 to line up.
Red for 1800. Passing the radial. TV, 54.
Yeah, 5944, cleared takeoff, 9 right.
Takeoff 09 right, 2 and 5944.
017, contact 1289.
189 is 017. Bye-bye.
Jack.
London, good morning. The Atlanta 017 with you, 3000 climbing.
Atlanta 017, good morning. There's no speed control, climb to 6,000 feet.
6,000, no speed 017.
Actually, we are passing Glasgow now.
Alright, I can see some snow down there now.
Yeah, but
Oh, lovely.
you can see them in the far distance then.
Oh, yeah.
Tempecular.
Never seen that.
I was in Cuba, working in Cuba some years ago.
Cuba?
Yeah.
Really?
Last British.
That envelope?
Yeah. One night we went out to a bar to have a drink, and we came to this bar, and on top of the bar, you know, above the bar was a Curtis commando.
Oh yes, that's right. There's one on display down the seafront. Yeah.
Yeah, on a tripod.
That's right, on a
above,
stand. Yeah.
below the wings, you
Yeah.
have this bar, you know.
That's right. Yes, Yes, I've seen photos of that Commando. Now that's a plane I'd like to fly on. That's difficult to do.
Ég set bara bekkuna eða segi skoða það hjá mér.
Iceland Radio, góðan dag, Atlanta 017.
Lokkar 22 ekki?
Líka jú, það er Reykjavík eða ekki.
Alpha Bravo Delta 015 Reykjavík.
Góðan dag, estimating 61 north, 10 west at 34, maintaining 350, no contact with Iceland Radio yet.
017, rotating to report 6110 on this station.
Okay.
Ég náðu svo ekki massa á það.
017 with you, 190 descending 120, information hotel.
Atlanta 017, approach Gondain, identified descent when ready 3000 feet on QNH 1012.
Down 3000 on the QNH 1012, Atlanta 017. Further right heading 100 for the localizer, Atlanta 17.
Stand 5. Flight director, auto approach.
Keflavik approach, good afternoon, November 85, Lima Bravo, a Falcon with hotel, descending 120. 85 Lima Bravo Keflavik, approach, good morning, identified 46 southeast, descent 3000 feet, we're ready on 1010 hectopascal or 2.34 inches. Lima, could you just say again the QNH in hectopascal, please? 1010. 1010 and 3000, thank you.
Okay, local line.
Localizer line.
Rest of the line.
Rest of the line. Gear down. Laps 15, landing checklist.
From aftermarket clear direct runway 11 approach, contact tower 183.
That's all.
Ok, hvað sagður þú? Talar fjörðin?
Já, heimild að fluga hægri setni 1 og skipta turni.
Heimild að fluga hægri 1 og skipta turni 83. Right.
Watch 50. Það er equal.
Check. Landing checklist.
Speed brake.
Arm green light.
Landing gear.
Down 3 green.
Okay, flaps.
Arm 30 green light.
Keflavik Tower, góðan dag, the Atlanta 017 with you, 2000 established ILS.
Atlanta 017 Tower, góðan daginn. Wind 160, variable 150 at 30 costing 40, clear to land 11.
Clear to land 11, Atlanta 17.
Hvað er það?
Að hluta að draga þig. Já, ég var bara ekki við ekki.
Já. Í tjókpa? Við erum kvöldið búin niður.
Já. Og ég ætla að vera aðeins svona fyrir það.
Það er ekki þægilegt.
17 to the intersection, then left down 02, 3 and left again.
Það sagði hann. Left down and left again.
Okay, left at the intersection, down runway 02, confirm.
Confirm, left at the intersection, down 02.
Okay.
Já, það er. Það var lútið eftir.
Number 5, thank you.
Þetta hefur skýðað 5-3 hérna.
Yes, that was a very interesting landing. That must have been quite hard work, I should think.
Do I look wet?
Exactly. It's both, you know, was on the limit,
Yeah,
maximum crosswind limit,
right.
and maybe slightly above.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a landing quite as crab as that.
Já, því að það var líka rúmur hjá mér, sko. Það sjá hann þannig að ég reikna með því á. Þeir vilja hafa hann Jóli. Kapteinn Karlinn, það passar hjá okkur.
Það er aftur. Here's number 2. Hvað skýrst það?
Ég skal fylla hann út alveg á 10 stefnum.
Keflavik, good morning, Falcon, November 85, Lima Bravo, established RS-11. November 85, Lima Bravo, tower, good morning, wind is 150, variable 160 at 30, gusting 40, runways
Yeah,
left,
that's
clear to land,
Grumman,
11.
Grumman design.
Wind is coming, midland, Lima
They
Bravo.
make seaplanes as well, Grumman, of course.
Yeah.
But it's army reconnaissance job.
Heyrðu, eigum við að opna þetta strax?
Nei, ekki fyrir vonið. Er eitthvað að skilja hérna?
Well, thank you, Captain, for a lovely
You're
flight,
welcome.
and co-pilot too.
We have
Super.
3,450 pounds. 350 crash.
But the weather is not very nice at all.
TF-ABT. Ugly means a very small particle of something. It was a failure. Design was failure.
Yeah, dear.
But only flew once, I think.
How long ago?
You don't want to look about that.
You was unlucky about the weather.
Yes, I was.
That's
So,
true.
no matter.
Well, going better next time.
Yeah, maybe, I hope so. Overall,
No.
has bought a BMW in Germany, and he
No.
was going to fly it up on the plane today,
No.
but customs apparently said that they would have to charge tax on the cost of freight,
Ja.
even though he didn't have to pay.
Ja.
On the cost of what someone else would pay for freight. And so he decided to send it by sea, and he used a ferry.
Ja. Jo. This is a
It's the coast.
yeah. This is
That's interesting.
the bus station here.
Oh, this is the town.
This is down here.
I should buy a souvenir for my family to take
Yeah.
home.
No, that's true. I took a very long trip with this little bus here last summer.
Oh, I see.
11 days trip
Wow.
in a camp. Camping trip.
I see.
Yes. Over the highlands and Westfjords, and it was very interesting.
Yeah, sounds good.
This is the main road, you know, in Keflavik.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
We call that.
Yeah, it looks it.
But we get used to this kind of weather, you know.
I'm sure you do.
Oh, because this is, you can have all kinds of weather the same day in Iceland, you know. All kinds of weather.
So by the time I go, it will be sunny, will it?
No.
No.
You see, here in Iceland we have had very little snow this winter. Very little snow.
Oh, that's good.
It has been one of the shortest snow winter in Iceland.
Yeah.
Very little snow.
I think the temperature is about 3 degrees today.
Yeah, around that.
Oh, it's 21, 22, I think.
No. I was in London for what? Here we are. We have a harbor.
Yeah.
Very bad weather sometimes here. Very bad weather. This is an old ferry boat. This boat was sailing in Breiðafjörður between two places in Breiðafjörður in the old days. But she is not using for that today. We're using for planes.
Cargo. Do you look after customs here as well?
No. There are other people.
Yeah.
They're only.
It's wild here.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. How much does petrol cost?
Huh?
How much does the petrol cost?
They are very high price on petrol here. They cost about 50-60 kronur Icelandic each liter. It's very expensive. That's open the window, no problem. From your side?
Could do, yeah. There's some steam.
No, then we have the hot water area.
That's great. I didn't expect a tour like this. This is wonderful because I'm seeing a bit of the country itself. Some of the features. That's great.
If I have a raincoat, that's no problem. No problem. There's not so much snow here today.
Well, they ski on this mountain?
Yeah.
Right.
But only you know, meters, but they have no electricity lifting and things like that.
Right, yeah. It's a hard climb up.
Yeah. From the earth, you know. No, then you see the color of the lagoon, you know.
Oh, I see. It's reflecting. Yeah.
That's why we call it blue lagoon.
Yeah, that's really something.
That's why. They have a hotel here and things like that. Restaurants and. You can come out and take a better look.
Yes.
miklu stór sveitin sér þessi briljant. Því leikur að.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
That's good. That's good. Uncles, they live in West Fjords. They live, they take the feather and the eggs, you know, and the feather is very tires in the you are flying on.
Yeah.
It's one of the old plane from the company.
Eagle Air.
Eagle Air,
yes,
yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes, it
I
is.
was flying with this plane to Amsterdam when there was a passenger plane.
Right.
We are going to
Atlanta Icelandic. Já, 001 síðast, sko. Ég veit það ekki. Er þetta ekki bara eitthvað út í lofti þegar það var að... That's a complete... Þetta bara orðið besta veður? Það var gráður þá. Skýst á.
Okay, Atlanta 017 is clear to Kristiansand via Golf 3, level 240 initially, squawk 3035.
017 is not correct, contact 701-183, good day.
183, og það var 74. Tower, góðan daginn, Atlanta 017 approaching, runway 20.
017 line up, runway 20 on hold.
Þetta line up 20 hold, Atlanta 017.
Ykkur ínfri hérna leið? Jó. Ég er með kortið hérna. Já, það var að byrja með tækla. Orður hérna green. Light instruments. Got check. Take off reading in bucket. Review of depth. AP on bleach. None of pressure station and AP on bleach is on. Okay, we're down to the line. Okay. Cross-driving, respect taxi reverse, select path 4 equivalent power og það straight ahead á 800 feet above að 1000 flat.
Check.
Clear. Runway is clear. 035 komin. Fæna light touchdown, þú getur ekki styrkt hennan eins sko.
Nei, það rétt með þetta.
Atlanta 017, wind indicating 180 degrees, magnetic at 2 power, gusting 30, set for takeoff, departure 11931 airborne, over.
Set for takeoff and 193 airborne, Atlanta 017, blessaður.
Ég ekki með klukkum þetta fyrir. 3-0 og við verðum airborne 3-8. Thrust is set and one change. Late call 90 knots. með ykkur djöfull. Rosa vindur, Já, það er mikið af veðraskil, mikið af skil í veðrinu. Já. Allt fullt af lægðum. Trísex segi ég. Það var nú meira sem skeiði þetta með hendarinn rifildi hjá okkur Brumma. Varstu ekki búinn að heyra því? Nei. En kampustæði Jóa með. Já, Jóa ætlar að biðja að verði ekki hefði epli keitringur ef hann á. Hvað var hitastigið? Svolítið það kemur út úr vélinni sko. Þetta er bara loki aftast sem stjórnar pressunni. Við erum alltaf að dæla loft inn í vélina og svo stjórnar hann þrýstingnum inn í. Þetta er í góðu lagi núna.
Maintain level 160 Atlanta 017.
Bravo Delta 017, Keflavik, good afternoon. Passing 15 miles, cleared 4,000 feet, Sierra Victor Alpha for ILS approach, runway 04, QNH 1022.
Okay, 150 me from Sierra Victor Alpha, cleared down 4,000 feet, expecting ILS runway 04, QNH 1022, Alpha Bravo Delta 017, thank you.
And 2 knots was about 7 kilometer in mist. We got 7 after cumulus at 7,000 feet. And ground temp is 11, dew point 7.
Okay, transition level 50 and I copy the information, thank you. ILS-04 Collier established Alpha Bravo Delta 017.
Units 1022. Okay. Bravo 10-3.
Standard 4-3, clearing. Auto, Jesus.
Ja, zo.
Gírindi með að ná henni niður.
Ah,
Gírindi með að ná henni niður.
okay. Get down. Back on. Klara. Ja. Ah. Okay. Þetta ekki bara fara kona við? Varsam Toto, já. Það allt í mínus. Já. Og það. Slappa þig bara. TF-2. Heyrðu, viltu kannski fá dým í þið? Já, það er afkoma. Já, það er rétt. Settu 200 á. Black 15.
Alpha Bravo Delta 017, log before established.
We're not established yet. Waiting for the localization.
Disregard. Nei. Já. Já, five. Recall. Speed brake. Panic gear. Flaps. Okay, 25 is running. 40 flap and complete landing checklist. Aftermarket height check. Ah. Okay.
And 017 is established on the ILS.
17 is clear to land, wind 050 at 4 knots.
Clear to land 017, stainless frequency.
Running. Running. Landing checklist is complete. Buck plus 10,000 feet per minute.
Það er alltaf glæðinu sko, þetta er svona.
Ah,
Það er alltaf 4 gráða glæðinu.
akkurat.
017.
Það held ég. Hörru, ég starta upp í honum.
Já.
Það var normal. Þeim er þetta gráa að vinna brautana. Þetta gerum við bara svona, fá smá hellu.
Já.
Hvað segirðu?
Vinna brautana, svona gráa hjá þeim.
Já. Af hverju fer hún niður? Hún er fyrir neðan. Já, betur hana með.
Það verður hálf prosent.
Já. Þetta er bara með framtöng. Með framtöng.
Brautin svona svona.
Já. Þetta opna bara alveg hérna.
Það er bara að pakka hann af og hætta þetta.
Já. Brake press is normal. Svo þetta 112 bæði. Já. Det er samt skrítið að hann skulle svona stitt.
Jæja, það er bara fylgist þá.
Fylgist á.
Opna.
Já. Við erum 5 á staði.
Já. Þannig að komst þetta nefur.
Ja, må du heve av litt. Gå og sett den døra bare. Pass på døra da. Gå og sett den døra. Anna, nå er klar. Nå er klar. Fint bakover nå. Rett bakover. Sen går ikke der borte da. Ja, men kan passe på deg i låsen. Nei, der. Oi, den ligger der nede. Man skal slå deg i låsene. Ja, der må du fram noe for deg nå. Lykke alt her. Her er du kjørt. Can you make sure? Bókstafar það ekki?
Já.
Það er þá on and check.
Park brake.
Set.
Rem.
Það við skulum sjá, við þurfum aðeins að...
Það búin að setja það fyrir það. Búin að setja það. Já, fyrir nýja tenninn.
Third wind 040 and 5, wind 023. Temp is 11 and dew 0.5.
Það taka tótó.
350 to squawk 1213.
That's sound out of the
Slightly high, gear down, up 15, landing jacket.
500 feet, and passing, 20, 500. 7 feet a minute.